Here's how to change featured photos on your iPhone. Now let's first add a featured photo in your iPhone. I'm gonna press and hold on an app and then just tap edit home screen, edit here. And then on here, I'm gonna add a widget. I'm gonna show you an option for featured photos. You can see photos featured here. And if I tap on it and hit add, it just automatically adds a random photo, but maybe you don't like which photo it pops up with. You'll be able to see I can hit the play button and it will go through the process of playing it. However, if you don't like what's on there, you have two different options. The first thing that you can do is head into the Photos app on your phone. So let's head into the Photos app and get out of here. Now you usually default to Library. Instead of Library, let's tap on Connections, or Collections rather, and we're gonna go down to Featured Photos. Now, an easy option is just to remove whichever photo or photos you don't want to be in that featured photo. So you can go through, and if you don't like any of them, you can just press and hold on the photo, and then you can hit the remove from featured photos. Just like that, it won't be included in there. However, keep in mind, all these featured photos are just randomly selected by your iPhone. If you want to manually choose which photos show up, I would highly recommend just creating an album and using that instead. So let's go back out of here. Let's go to Albums and tap on plus. And then we'll choose New Album. And on here, we can just type in, let's say we want this to be the widget that is on your iPhone home screen. And then we'll tap on Add Photos here. And I'm selling a camera, so let's just say I'm going to include that, but you choose whichever photos you want and then hit Create. After you've done that, let's set that photo or multiple photos onto your home screen. And we'll do that again by pressing and holding on an app. And then we're going to tap on Edit Home Screen. Let's remove out that featured photo widget. And instead, we're going to go in and add just the single album that we created instead of just the random featured photos that your iPhone chooses. So to do that, we're going to tap on Edit. Oh, let me get back in here. Edit. And then we're going to go to Add Widget. And now if we just scroll down to Photos here, where is it? Did I pass it? There it is. We can see featured, but instead of featured, I'm going to go down and choose album and just hit add. Now, it sometimes will just choose a random album for you. So again, you need to assign it which album you want. So let's hit choose here. And in this case, I'm going to choose the widget album. And just like that, if I hit done, it will show up with that specific photo and basically carousel through the photos if you have multiple different ones in that album that you have chosen.